What's up, guys? This is Mr. Techie here, back with another video. And today we are going to be doing another free build. Let's hop right into it. Today, last time, we made the cheapest PC. Now, we're going to try and make the most expensive PC possible. Shout out to Piggy Games. We made an all FG build over there. Check them out. Link in the description below. So we have an FG build right here. I'm gonna go just store it. And here we go. We're gonna go inventory, cases, price, minimum, 700. Alright, we've got a super tower. 500 already. Got all these removable objects. Okay, so we've got ourselves a STRX4 motherboard, meaning we can just go ahead and install the most expensive CPU in the game, the AMD Ryzen Threadripper. And we've got 6 RAM slots, and we're going to give Corsair Dominator to all of them right now. Memory, price, minimum, 800. Okay. We're going to find a megahertz card here, and we're going to go Corsair Dominator Black, nice and sleek, if you know what I'm saying. So we're just chilling here, putting in our 16 gigs, 4800 megahertz Corsair Dominators. This is going to have, if I'm doing my math correctly, this is going to have a whole bunch of, I think it'll be 128, but now we need to find a CPU cooler. Price, minimum of at least 300 that fits. The Kraken. Kraken, baby. NZXT Kraken, the most expensive liquid cooler in the game, at least to my knowledge. We are going to put the dust filter back on. And we've already got a 12 grand PC. I haven't even gotten an M2 graphics card, nothing. That is crazy. Okay, we are going to just go here, find minimum of 700. So we've got multiple M2 slots. So we can just go ahead and put back the drive bay on our Asus ROG Zenith 2 Extreme Alpha. And we've got NZXT Kraken, we've got Corsair Dominator, 16 gigabytes, $840 a stick. That costs more than my PC. Now, we are going to find the most expensive graphics card in the game. Period. So we are going to go with the iGame GeForce. Right here. Already got one. We're going to put, we've got an SLI. Can we fit another one? No, we cannot. Now we need the most expensive power supply in the game, which I believe is by Evga. It's the Evga Master Watt. Okay, now we are just going to, we've got motherboards, memories, CPU cooling, we've got everything. And we're going to put in the most expensive case fans. See if that'll bump up the price. We're just going to do Polaris, RGB. So we've already got plenty of iWin Polaris RGBs. Close this panel here. Do we have any space? No, we do not. Cables are all there. Gonna put back on the shroud. And how about a couple of drive bays, honestly. We are going to put in another 4 terabyte cache. See how many this guy can handle before it's out of cables. Does it have enough cables for all the space, bro? Like, we've got full capacity, all HDs, so honestly, that's pretty impressive if you ask me. No, I just want to put you back in. I don't want to remove you. Boom. Now, we're just going to put PS U-Shot on there. Drive bays. I think we got it all. Alright. A $20,000 PC. It's got the most expensive case fans, the most expensive cooling, everything a PC could possibly want. We are going to run a benchmark. And let's see how she does. Now, we've got, according to my calculations, approximately we have 27 terabytes of storage on this. And just look how smooth this is. The rendering, everything. It goes so fast. Can't see any choppiness. CPU is just fine. Literally, my dream PC. It's got most expensive parts. We have 8x16 gigabytes of Corsair Dominator, 2 color for iGame GeForce RTX 3090 Advanced OCV. We have for the PSU, we have the Cooler Master Watt Maker. For the AMD, we have the Ryzen Threadripper 390X, Asus ROG Zen F2 Extreme Alpha for the motherboard, and Corsair Obsidian Series 100D for the case. Now just look at how... Just look at that. Absolute perfection. 24,555 on the benchmark. That is crazy. And I will see you in the next video. Mr. Techie is out.